Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Java and Ant are installed so commands run predictably. Once done, download the Salesforce Ant migration tool and unzip it. Make sure you copy the Ant Salesforce. Jar into Ant's lib folder and place a build. Properties with your username, password plus token, and server URL. Next, open a terminal in your project folder and run Ant version to verify Ant. This ensures the environment is ready before you fetch metadata. It avoids runtime errors later. You'll now retrieve the metadata you need. First, craft a package. XML that lists packages, objects, and fields. This controls what Ant pulls. Once the package is ready, run Ant retrieve with your credentials. Watch the verbose output for missing or excluded components. After retrieval, inspect the SRC directory and modify XML or code locally. Make intentional merges where conflicts exist. Because Ant is file-based, you can use Git to manage changes. Commit before deployment to preserve a clean history. You finish by deploying with Ant deploy and specifying the deploy route. Include run all tests or a defined test suite to meet validation rules. Once deployed, verify in the target org and run any post-deploy data or configuration steps. If deployment fails, read the Ant error block. Line numbers and component names matter. Then fix XML, test failures, or profile access issues. If you need deeper logs, rerun with V for verbose output. That level often reveals hidden validation or package XML mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.